Hello everyone, myself Prasant. Today I'm here with the new topic contracts in civil engineering. What is contracts? In civil engineering, contracts are legal agreements between the parties involved in a construction project that outline the rights, responsibilities, and obligations of each party. These contracts helps ensure that the project is completed successfully, on time, and within the budget. There are several types of contracts commonly used in civil engineering, each with their own characters and suitability for different situations. So, the types of contracts. The first is a lump sum contract, that is a fixed price contract. In a lump sum contract, the contractor agrees to complete the entire project for a fixed price. The client pays a predetermined sum and the contractor is responsible for managing all aspects of the project within that budget. Now, the advantage is clear budgeting for the client, low financial risk for the client, and the disadvantage is limited flexibility for changes as any modification may result in additional costs. The next is a unit price contract. In unit price contract, the client pays the contractor based on the quantities of work completed. The unit prices are agreed upon in advance and payments are calculated based on the actual activities of work performed. Now the advantages is flexibility for changes, detailed cost control, suitable for projects with uncertain scope, and the disadvantage is complexity in measurement and verification of quantities, potential for disputes. Now, the next is a cost plus fee contract. In cost plus fee contract, the client reimburses the contractor for all allowable costs incurred during the project, and the contractor receives a predetermined fee or a percentage of the total cost as a profit. So the advantage is transparent cost breakdown, flexibility for changes, shared risk. The disadvantage is limited cost control for the client, potential for disputes over allowable costs. Now the next is turnkey contract. In a turnkey contract, the contractor takes on complete responsibility for the design, construction, and often financing of the project. The client only needs to turn the key to start using the completed facility. Advantage is minimal involvement required for the client, single point of responsibility. The disadvantage is limited control for the client, potential for conflicts of interest. The next is EPC, Engineering, Procurement and Construction Contract. An EPC contract is similar to the turnkey contract but typically focuses on engineering, procurement, and construction aspects. The client is responsible for financing and operation. The advantage is single point of responsibility for design and construction, clear project delivery schedule. And the disadvantage is limited client control over design changes, potential for disputes. Design build contract. In a design build contract, a single entity, that is a design build contractor, is responsible for both the design and construction of the project. This can streamline the process and improve the coordination. The advantage is single point of responsibility, faster project delivery, potential cost savings. The disadvantage is limited control for the client over the design, potential for conflicts between design and construction aspects. And concluding, we can say the selection of contract type in civil engineering is a critical decision that significantly influences the dynamics of a construction project. The variety of contract types available allows project stakeholders to tailor agreements based on specific project requirements, risk tolerance, and desired level of control. Each contract type comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages, emphasizing the importance of careful consideration and alignment with project objectives. The choice of contract type should reflect a comprehensive understanding of the project's scope, complexity, and risk factors. The choice of the contract type should reflect a comprehensive understanding of the project's scope, complexity, and the risk factor.